Your phone storage keeps filling up for no reason? Hidden junk files might be the problem. In this video, I'll show you how to free up a lot of space on your Android phone without deleting your important apps, photos, or videos. And the best part is, most of these hidden files are created automatically every single day without you even noticing. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. At the bottom, tap on Collections, then open the Bin or Trash folder. If you recently deleted photos or videos, they're probably still sitting here, taking up storage space. Tap Select, then remove everything permanently to instantly free up space. Next, let's clean hidden browser files. Open Google Chrome on your device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and open Site Settings. After that, tap Data Stored. Here you'll see cached website data saved by Chrome over time. Tap Delete All Data to remove unnecessary files. Keep in mind this may sign you out of some websites, so make sure you remember your passwords first. Now for one of the biggest hidden storage cleaners. Open the Play Store and install an app called CX File Explorer. Once installed, open the app and allow the required permissions. Now tap the menu icon, open Settings, and enable Show Hidden Files or Show System Storage, depending on your phone. This helps you access folders Android normally hides. Go back and open the Downloads folder first. Delete any old APK files, duplicate documents, or videos you no longer need. After that, use the search feature and type thumbnails. Open the thumbnails folder you find. Inside, you may see folders filled with temporary image copies and cached app icons. These are not your real photos. They're just small hidden files created by apps over time. You can safely delete them to recover extra storage. Once you finish, your phone should feel cleaner, faster, and have much more free space available. So that's how you can remove hidden junk files and free up storage on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tips and tricks.